Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Katarina Ewa and today we will create this beautiful card. Reminds me the trellis and the garden of on the back side of the home on my grandma. So this is how the cards look like. So actually this is the fold and we'll create the composition on the front, and you can add write the wishes or stamp them in the center of the card. This is the same frame you use on the front of the card, but just this is flat, so you can easily write the sentiment here. And the card is slightly larger. This is 8 by 8 card, but because I created larger card, have more space to build the composition, I experiment with few kinds of flowers. Okay, so let's get started. Today a bit different than usual. I already decorate the base, but I will talk about how to create the base a little. You can find, as always, a full instruction with a list of materials and products I used in my blog post. Link is in the description below this video, and you can also find the list of the materials I used in the description below this video. So this is quite a large card because it's 8 by 8 inches, so it's about 20 by 20 centimeters, and I create the base using 16 by 8 inches piece of white card, and I score it at 4 and 8, and I folded mountain valley to create a Z-fold. Then I adhere the slightly smaller pieces of paper collection. Once again, you can find all the measurements on my blog post. I inked the edges using the Memento ink, and then using my one of the favorite new treasure dies, I adhere, I die cut the shape, and I adhere it in the center of the card, so you can write or stamp the wishes here. This is white card, and then I die cut a full shape, and I line it up with this inner piece perfectly, and I adhere it on the front. So actually you need to ink on you need to apply the glue only on one side of the shape. And then I adhere paper collection piece and this beautiful frame using 3D foam. This is a frame die cutted of white card. I already stamp and adhere these beautiful flowers in the corner, and I have everything ready to decorate. So a bit different this time. I prepared the peonies, but the peonies in yellow. So actually this is kind of Easter Easter peonies, you can say. So let me check first how I want to have them on my card. Okay, so I will start assembling elements from these two corners. I will line them up just here with paper collection pieces, and I will adhere them to the card base using dry clear glue with metal tip. Then I will adhere the hyacinth. I already have the tutorial on my blog, link is in the description below. So I prepare the flower in pink and violet shades, and I glitter the flower and I adhere it with a 3D foam, just like that. Then I will adhere more of these clusters of flowers. I just change them a bit. I cut this larger piece. So I will adhere these two flowers on this side and these lighter pink flowers just on the side. Now I can adhere these two beautiful flowers, actually three. I created using the large peony, and I also use the rocks, stamens, and I glitter everything, so it's super sparkly, and I think it will beautifully match this spring composition. So I will adhere it just like that, using hot glue gun. As a last step, I will fill in the composition using the leafy accent cluster, and of course you can add the cluster just like that, or you can cut it to match your composition to fill it better. Okay, so I fill in the composition using the leafy accent. I add this one flower I previously fuzzy cut from this cluster, and now I found this beautiful teapot, and I thought it will be perfectly just match the composition, so I just adhere it here just on the side. And let me show you how the cards look like. So you have very bold composition on the front, and you have place for wishes in the center. I think this is beautiful card if you want to, you know, spring your wings, your creative wings, and create bold composition. The card is slightly larger, so you have a lot of space to add elements. And today I encourage myself to create off the edge composition, so you have some elements which will hang from the card. If you want to pack the card in the card box, definitely you should have all elements on the card base, so it will be easier for you to pack the card. I just wondering about adding a sentiment here, but I think I will leave it as it is. Yeah, basically this is the spring garden, and a lot of experiments. I hope you like this crinkled peonies I created especially for this card. So that's it for today. I will add more close-up photos and the video on the end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to help me grow my business and provide more video tutorials for you. What else? Don't forget also to check my blog for all materials I use for this card. I have photos you can pin on your Pinterest. I have also Instagram with videos and photos of my card. And I have classes on my blog, so please check them out if you want to learn how to create this beautiful hyacinth. Mine is not in the usual color because it's violet, but you can create a full range of colors using this beautiful spring and garden collection. Till the next time, bye!